Once upon a time, in the magical land of Webville, there lived a curious young coder named Arjun. He had just mastered the scrolls of HTML and the spells of CSS, which helped him build beautiful web pages. But something was missing. His pages looked great, but felt lifeless, like paintings that couldn't move. One day, Arjun stumbled upon an ancient book glowing with golden letters. It was titled JavaScript, The Beginning. As he opened it, a wave of magic and motion swept through his laptop. JavaScript, the book whispered, is the language that brings your web pages to life. Let's begin with variables, the book said. Think of them like jars that hold information. Arjun read, let name, Arjun, const age, 20, var city, Webville. The book explained, let can be updated, const cannot be changed, and var, well, it's old magic, sometimes unpredictable. Each jar held different kinds of data. A name, called a string, a number like 25, a truth value, true or false, even lists, called arrays, and detailed jars called objects. JavaScript could handle them all. Next came functions, reusable spells that made things happen. Arjun wrote his first spell, function greet, console.log, hello Webville. When he cast it, the screen whispered, hello Webville. Functions could even take ingredients, called parameters, and make magic even more personal. The book turned to decisions, if statements. Arjun's code could now respond differently depending on the situation. If the score was more than 90, excellent. More than 70, good job. Anything else? Keep practicing. JavaScript made his pages think. But what if he wanted to repeat things? The book revealed loops. With just a few lines, Arjun could repeat an action 5 times, or 50. He wrote, for, let I1 1, I less than or equal to 5, I++, console.log, practice makes perfect. His screen echoed back, practice makes perfect. Again and again. Finally, the book shared its greatest secret, the DOM, the Document Object Model. Arjun could now talk to the actual web page. He wrote, document, get element by id, welcome. Inner text, hello Arjun. And just like that, his web page spoke back. With JavaScript, Arjun created buttons that clicked, forms that responded, sliders that danced, and pages that sparkled. What was once static now moved. His web pages weren't just seen, they were experienced. And so, Arjun's journey began, not just as a web developer, but as a creator of magical web experiences. And the legend of JavaScript lived on. One function, one line, and one idea at a time. The end, or just the beginning. If you enjoyed this magical journey into JavaScript, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell icon. We've got more awesome videos coming your way right here on Frontend Hustle. Let's keep building the web, one line of code at a time.